What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for clicking on my video one more time. I really appreciate you guys. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. You won't regret it. If you're somebody that's already subscribed, thank you guys for subscribing, liking my videos, and commenting. On today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a Tacoma video. Aesthetic thing. It's not a mechanical thing, it's more of like for looks. And what I'm gonna be doing is pretty much debadging the tailgate, and I'm gonna be adding the Tacoma lettering from the newer Tacoma. They sell these letters so you could put them into the tailgate, because the tailgates, they have like the Tacoma embedded into it, and these letters are supposed to be sitting in there. But I ordered them, and I'm gonna be just pretty much laying them on my tailgate, and hopefully they look pretty cool. If not, then I'll just peel them off, because I'm pretty sure they're double-sided tape. I'm waiting on them still. I'm just gonna be preparing myself so that I could be ready for when they arrive. USPS is gonna be delivering them soon, so I'm gonna just go ahead and debadge it now, and that way I'll be ready for when they arrive. Go ahead and find something so it can help me peel it off. I have these here, and then I have these here. Go ahead and do this. It's leaving residue, but it could come off like this. I ordered one of those wheels that takes off residue, but it's not gonna get here till like next week. Let me knock this out. I'll update you guys when I'm all done. Alright guys, so pretty much they're all off. And you might be wondering, what the fuck, bro? Now you have those stupid ass shadow in the back, you know? We're gonna clay bar it, and it should come off. Let's go ahead and go grab the clay bar. Here's the clay bar. I already did use this before on the truck. I actually hand waxed it the other day. As you can see, it looks a little shinier. But it comes with this. Spray it on. I'll update you guys in a second. I'm happy with it. You can still see it a little bit right here, so I'm gonna hit it one more time. But it is coming off, guys. Now we are gonna do this one. Alright guys, there we go. If you guys don't know what a clay bar is, pretty much the clay bar, it's pretty much what it sounds like. It's like a, oh shit, yeah, you don't want to do that, because so pretty much what this clay bar does, it picks up pretty much all the contaminations that are stuck to your paint that you can't see, and it smoothens that paint. And then you can wax it, because you don't want to put wax on top of your paint that's all contaminated. So it's always good to clay bar your car. You can buy that kit from Mother's. It comes with 2 clay bars. The instant detailer. This is pretty much just a lubricant so that you could slide this back and forth. You could use water and soap if you want, but I mean, I have this, so I'm using this right now. So Now I just gotta find the middle, the center, and then I'm gonna like mark like at 2 inches up, and then that's where I'm gonna put the Tacoma lettering. So I'll update you guys right now when I'm gonna measure. Somehow I got this line. It measures 3 inches from the top, from top to bottom, all the way across. Now, I need to find the center. Somehow, guys, I eyeballed the center. Letters will start here, here, and then here. And for those of you wondering how did I get the measurement, I got it from my neighbor's truck. He has a Taco, a new one, and I just measured from there to there, and it is 33 inches. Now we just wait for UPS or USPS to deliver the letters, and we'll start installing them. Took a nap and woke up to 2 packages. Here she is, guys, the letters that I was talking about. Here's what I'm doing, guys. I'm pretty much, since I have pretty much the outside marked. I'm setting the middle ones. I'm just taping these on there so I can see kind of where to put them. Here's kind of what I'm doing. I'm just gonna space them off, obviously the same. So here's a little trick that I'm doing. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I mean, what do I lose? Nothing. Idea Factory. I cut them up and I'm putting them like this to see kind of where I'm getting somewhere. That looks pretty straight. I'm gonna send it right there. fucking good. Damn. I fuck with it. For my application, I did 3 inches from here up. You guys I could have went up more, but I like that look. Damn. Came out really nice. Once again, guys, thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a little something new. I'm really happy and satisfied with the results of the letters. It was only like 28 bucks or something like that. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys if you guys want to try this at home. All I used was that tape that I bought from AutoZone a long time ago. It's for like pinstripe, and the little scraper, the plastic scraper, was from Harbor Freight, and the clay bar was from AutoZone, and obviously a measuring tape and whatnot. Really easy, guys. The width of the emblems all along altogether is 33 inches, and then from there I just eyeballed it, to be honest. Give the video a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Have a purpose, but to take that leap.